Alright guys, and welcome back to Backrest Barbells, your home strongman power. There's a little bit of CrossFit in the Backrest. Guys, we are planning for a 2-day, 1-night fishing trip to the Missouri River. We had a lot of luck last time, so we're hoping lightning can strike twice for me. But guys, since we're gonna be doing some camping, we gotta go to our local Walmart and buy some camping stuff because we don't got anything.
We have nothing.
We got nothing really besides I got a tent, a sleeping bag, and an air mattress. But we need some cooking stuff. Hopefully we can catch a few flatheads and we can do some cooking out there while we're camping and all that stuff, and then, you know, enjoying God's beautiful moonlight in shitty ass Nebraska City. But alright guys, we're gonna get into Walmart and let's get it going. The only aisle that's worth anything at Walmart.
I'm not gonna get super cold, so I don't need anything.
This is like what I have right here.
Oh, that's $10.
Yeah, 10 bucks. You said we need an air mattress pump? Those are all plug-in ones though. We need a battery one.
At least I can. We like to just plug it into your truck.
Peyton and I refuse to cuddle with you, so you're gonna have to spend some money. Here, get that one right there. Look at that. That's like the Gucci style for tents.
That's good.
Or just get a campy.
Yeah, that on the list.
Perfect. $6.
Do we need one of these thingies? For water?
Yeah. Or do we get the Gucci style one? Let's see, what do we got here? Jesus, 20 bucks?
Just need like...
We'll go a little bit bigger for $2 more. Jesus, Peyton. Can't take you anywhere. Pancakes, eggs, and bacon.
Can't fucking...
Oh, come on, we gotta try. Oh, we gotta try one of these. Come on.
Those taste like shit.
Come on, we gotta try one of them. You pick one out, I'll pick one out. How about that?
Yeah, I'm gonna choose the breakfast skillet.
Breakfast skillet, I'll go potato, shredded beef, peas. And since you took that one, I gotta pick a different one.
You still?
No. We're gonna go with this one. Oh yeah, this is gonna be terrible.
Oh yeah. I've never heard good things about this.
We can do a pizza.
Yeah.
Or cookies.
Headlamps, flashlights.
I mean, you can get headlight chair for that.
Should we get like 4 of these batches?
Sure.
Or do we want cap lights?
What? No. No, thank you. I think you have to wear this, though. Come on.
Fuck.
Come on.
That won't go with the stash.
Just wear it. Let me see what it looks like with the stash. Just put it on.
It ain't gonna look good with the stash, man. I'm telling you right now.
Yes, it is.
Now I probably have lights.
We can do that. As long as we fit it. Yeah, we can fit a couple flatheads in there.
Oh, yeah. We can have more flashlights.
Do we need one more, though, for food? Oh, I mean, we're not going to get food until afterwards anyway, so we really don't need to get cooler for food because we're just running to Walmart or something.
Yeah.
We can leave the boat there as long as we make sure it's safe and secure.
Yeah.
Decisions.
We got the 2 bait coolers. What can we put in that?
And the bait coolers?
Yeah.
Water, drinks,
Okay.
snack food, like sandwiches and stuff,
Yeah.
Skittles.
This should be good for
Yeah.
fish.
Hey, I think this is a big enough net that would have caught Kong or a big blue. Right here. See, look at that. Dude, we gotta go buy another scale yet.
I thought we had the electric one.
We do, but it only goes to 45. Oh, we need bells.
No, it goes to 110.
No, ours was 50.
The electric one goes to 110.
Ours goes to 50.
I thought ours went to 110.
No, John's went to 110.
I thought ours did too.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, because ours is, I bought it here.
Probably out. I'll let you out.
Yeah, there's this one right.
So, scheels.
Yeah, so I know ours only went to 50 pounds.
All right.
Do we need bells though, or we can get the shields?
Yes.
Here? We need 4? There's 4. Ringing bell. Hopefully we're sounding like Mississippi State. I think that's pretty much it. This food we're gonna pick up there.
Yeah.
We're both gonna try these though.
Oh yeah.
Chicken teriyaki.
Yep. Silverware and shit.
Yep.
We got cookware.
We got the grill grate. We can go over more of it tomorrow though.
Yeah.
But
yeah, because we always have that Walmart down there in case we need last minute.
oh yeah. Oh, like the vegetables and all that shit.
Yeah.
But alright. Hey, I found your woman.
Alright. Fair enough.
Fair enough. Alright guys, so like I said, $200 later, we got everything we need. Peyton had to get a tent, sleeping bag, we got the grill grate, we got the cast iron stuff, and yeah guys, we're ready to rock and roll almost. Too bad Peyton is a pussy and does not want to go tonight. Or we'd have 2 days and 3 nights. Or, well, 3 days and 2 nights, but Peyton's a pussy, so he doesn't want to go tonight.
Fuck off.
Fuck off. Look at that fucking neck hair though. It's like a forest back there. But yep guys, $200, now we have to go to Scheels.
Spend more.
And where all the money gets spent. But we'll see you guys at Scheels. Alright guys, so we're heading into Scheels right now to their new parking garage here in Lincoln, Nebraska. Gotta get some hooks and see how much more money we can blow. Right, Peyton? Right. Let's go blow some more money. And do you want to use the elevator? Yeah.
We're going to catfish shit going. I like this. I like this.
Oh, anchor.
All the way up to that Walmart. I don't like this.
Go ask them. Hey, you about to freak out?
We're going to catfish stuff.
What is it? Oh, scale.
Yeah, scale and anchor.
Are we gonna get the anchor here, or are you gonna wait? You go to Walmart.
Well, the rough is because I got the other one from here.
But you want one with a hook on it though, like this.
I was thinking you're keeping that because that would dig in.
Maybe, but look how much more. Well, that's better than the one we have. We can use one of the circle ones. But how much is that one?
Don't know the no price.
How much?
These will.
What are we gonna do? Really for rope?
No, I have a rope. I don't know if it's strong enough though. Like $5.
7.
Sinker slides.
What? Oh. You want some of these? It's a good brand. You see Lojo with all the luck on it. What about super sticky deep bait?
Yeah, that stuff's good for your smaller ones.
You're a smaller one. Well, there's a bait shop there too. We need.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little more expensive. All right, guys. So now we're leaving Scheels. Didn't spend as much money as I thought I would, but this for some dope. Well, for a dope piss head mount for the GoPro and some fake scrape or mock scrape. Yeah, $70 fucking later. So yeah, for 3 things, I think we spent way more than we would have at Walmart average wise.
$40.
Yeah. So we're gonna head home, get the boat ready, and we'll see you all in the morning.